Welding machines are essential tools in metal fabrication, construction, automotive repair, shipbuilding, aerospace, and various other industries where the joining of metals is required. The type of welding machine used depends on the welding process, the material being welded, and the desired strength and appearance of the weld. Over the years, welding technology has advanced significantly, offering greater precision, safety, and efficiency. Understanding the different types of welding machines and their applications helps in choosing the right equipment for any given task. One of the most commonly used welding machines is the shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, machine, also known as a stick welder. This type of machine uses a consumable electrode coated in flux to lay the weld. It is widely used for construction, pipeline welding, and repair work because of its simplicity, portability, and ability to work in various environments, including outdoor or windy conditions. The stick welder is robust and reliable, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Despite being somewhat outdated in high-tech industries, it is still a preferred method for general-purpose welding due to its low cost and ease of use. Gas metal arc welding, GMAW, machines, commonly referred to as MIG, metal inert gas, welders, are popular in both industrial and home settings. A MIG welder uses a continuous solid wire electrode fed through a welding gun and a shielding gas to protect the weld pool from contamination. MIG welding machines are known for their speed and ease of use, especially when welding thin to medium thickness metals like aluminum, mild steel, and stainless steel. These machines are often semi-automatic or fully automatic, offering excellent productivity and smooth, clean welds. MIG welding is widely used in automotive repair, manufacturing, and metal fabrication shops. Gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, machines, also known as TIG, tungsten inert gas. Welders are used when precision and high-quality welds are required. A non-consumable tungsten electrode is used to create the arc, while a separate filler metal is added manually or automatically. TIG welding provides excellent control over the welding process, resulting in aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound welds. This method is often used in aerospace, nuclear, and food-grade applications where weld quality is critical. TIG machines require more skill to operate but are essential for delicate and high-precision work. Flux cord arc welding, FCAW, machines are similar to MIG welders but use a special tubular wire filled with flux. This eliminates the need for an external shielding gas in many cases, making it suitable for outdoor use and environments where wind might interfere with gas shielding. FCAW is particularly effective for welding thick materials and is commonly used in construction, shipbuilding, and heavy equipment manufacturing.